let's now move on and shift our focus to another important update that we are getting for you. And another interview of Times Now from the summit is creating tremors. We are talking about the interview of Home Minister Amit Shah with Times Network's Navika Kumar, wherein he spoke about the liquor gate issue as well. And now Arvind Kejriwal, the former Delhi Chief Minister, in fact, has reacted to this particular interview, and he has put out a long post on social media platform X as well, the post that you can see on your screens. He has also put out an excerpt of that conversation, in which Home Minister Amit Shah spoke about the liquor gate issue. Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who is joining us on the broadcast right now for more on this. Kritika, good evening. What exactly has Arvind Kejriwal mentioned?
Well, Arvind Kejriwal is now alleging that the Home Minister has in fact said that the government represents the CBI and the CBI and the government are one of the same. In his post, he's also in fact claiming that the Home Minister has said that they will be going to the Supreme Court, insinuating that the Home Minister thinks that they're going to be losing out, or the CBI rather is going to be losing out the hearing which is scheduled to happen in the High Court. Now, what had exactly happened in the interview was, in fact, the Home Minister had stated that Arvind Kejriwal, it seems that Arvind Kejriwal would be moving the apex court against the comments made in the High Court as well. And that he's currently, Arvind Kejriwal in his post has stated as the Amit Shah going to the Supreme Court against the orders of the High Court. Now, this, of course, is coming in as a response to the interview the Home Minister had given on the Times Now summit. And Arvind Kejriwal has now alleged that via this interview, what the Home Minister is actually trying to portray is that the CBI and the government is one of the same. Over to you.
All right. Thank you, Kritika. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this. Let's now listen in to what exactly Home Minister Amit Shah had said on this issue.
एक और भी सवाल जो विपक्ष आपसे पूछता रहता है कि एजेंसीज को आप कंट्रोल करते हैं, इसीलिए अभी हाल ही में कोर्ट में जो निर्णय आया है जिसमें लिकर स्कैम जो दिल्ली में था उसमें आम आदमी पार्टी के तमाम नेता छूट गए। क्या ये फर्जी केस था जैसे आम आदमी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष अरविंद केजरीवाल?
देखिए नाविका जी, ये सेशन कोर्ट का फैसला है। हमने उसको दिल्ली के उच्च न्यायालय में चुनौती दी है। मुझे भरोसा है कि जो चार्जशीट किया गया है वो दमदार है और बहुत सारे सबूत इसके अंदर केस चलाने के लिए मौजूद है। हमारी न्याय प्रणाली जो है वो 3 स्तर की बनी हुई है, सेशन कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट और फिर सर्वोच्च अदालत। तो जब तक उच्च न्यायालय फैसला नहीं लेती है और शायद फिर केजरीवाल जी ऊपर जाए तो सर्वोच्च न्यायालय, तब तक किसी को कट्टर ईमानदार का लेबल लगाना नहीं चाहिए।
Let's now move on and